It didn't really feel like it affected me until I completed my sentence and knew that I still couldn't vote, even if I wanted to. When we had elections in 2016 for the presidential elections, I drove people around so that they could vote when I couldn't. It felt like I was still able to contribute in some way, because if it wasn't for me helping them get a ride, they probably couldn't vote either. I had reached out to my old probation officer and asked her for advice on what to do, and she sent me this thing. It was like 11 pages, and I had to write down each one of my charges and when they happened and what happened. And then I reached out to somebody else who was a paralegal, and she sent me this just simple one-page form that I filled out and mailed in. So I got this real official document with like a seal and stuff on it that's got my name on it and said that my rights have been restored. It made me feel like I was a part of this country again.